Right folks, here we are with part 2 of the HyMek project. As you can see, this it's got this little gangster lean thing going on. It should be set like that. Obviously it isn't. The reason for that is inside there, the central pivot is over here. So the whole thing leans that way. It lifts wheels on that side, lifts wheels on this side. It's terrible. So we're going to have a look at it and see if we can make it a bit better. Okay, we're inside. We can see where the pivot is. That little nodule just there. Nowhere near centre, so obviously the bogie is unbalanced. So if we add a second one about there, it's going to be a lot more balanced. So I'm thinking if we can use the end of the paintbrush to do it, and a bit of hot glue, we might be in business. So I'll very carefully trim the end off this old paintbrush. It's about the same height as the existing nodule. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue there, stick the nodule on, see how we go. It might need a bit of adjustment, but I'm sure we'll get there. Okay, it seems to have worked. It's still not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. The body centralises now. Yeah, I think for 10 minutes messing about with the hot glue gun and a bit of plastic and some cutters, the loco's now sitting pretty. I think next time we do this we're going to look at a bit more detailing, not weathering, maybe add a bit more detail. I've added loads more weight to it now as well, on the front, and the back. There's some weight in this bit here as well as over there and there. So the thing weighs a ton now, and it's responded well to it. So I think that once I get a better decoder in the damn thing, it'll actually be a pretty good runner. I might do the CD motor upgrade at some point. See how we go when the new decoder gets here. I've not set up the acceleration yet, so this thing just takes off like a bullet. The deceleration is good though. So there we go, yeah, not bad. And it's obviously sitting a lot straighter than it was before now. Can I get it down there? No, we can't see it there. Sitting a lot straighter than it was, so that's obviously good. Right, spot on guys. We'll see what happens on the next one then, won't we, I suppose now. See you in a bit.